Hello there, welcome. Come with me, let me show you how I made this original, authentic Nigerian crab okra soup. But before then, let me introduce you to my list of ingredients. For this recipe, I'll be using shrimp, periwinkle, pepper blend, smoked fish, crab, assorted meat, chicken leaf, Uziza, crayfish, and okra. In a clean dry pot, add your oil, the quantity you want, add your salt, add your onion and stir until it's translucent. Then add your pepper blend, which is a mixture of my bell peppers, green bell peppers and habanero pepper. Add your crayfish and stir, then add your dried smoked fish and cook this for about 2 minutes. Now, stir properly and add your stock. If it's too thick, add water to loosen it a little bit. Bring it to a boil, then you add your meat. I'm using assorted meat for this recipe. Then throw in your crabs. Yes, guys. And stir properly and allow it to cook. Then add your okra. At this point in your house, everybody should know there is something on the fire. So please stir very well and leave it half open. Now, after 2 minutes, throw in your shrimps, your periwinkle, and your Uziza leaf for that spicy effect. Stir properly, guys. The soup looks nice. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, add your seasoning of choice, stir properly and add your vegetables. Guys, I hope you enjoyed watching and cooking along with me, and I know you are going to enjoy this recipe because I did enjoy it. Now see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. I love you. Bye.